Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to the Garden Parish of St. Anne, Jamaica. Here you'll find Plantation Village, a gated community which offers everything right at your fingertips, from shopping, relaxation, nightlife, hospital, and schools. As you enter, you are greeted by the newly added restaurants, Village Bar and Grill, and Starliner. It's renowned for its larger homes, predominantly occupied by returning residents and Airbnb guests. Nestled on this one-third acre lot, you will discover not only one, but two homes. This property was recently reduced in price. The original house, located towards the back of the property, features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and was constructed in 2020. At the forefront, an expansive 8 bedroom, 7 bathroom home with breathtaking ocean views stands unfinished. The ground floor boasts 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a powder room, a bar, an office, a computer room, a storeroom, and a laundry room. The upper floor presents 5 bedrooms, each with its own balcony, and a back patio leading downstairs, inviting endless possibilities for indoor-outdoor living. Plantation Village isn't just a place to live, it's a canvas for your dreams. Your dream awaits. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $499,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.